What's going on, guys and girls? Owen Nick back in Minnesota. And guess where I'm at? I'm at Sportwheels. Sportwheels has a lot of stuff. Got some good buys right now, too. A lot of cool vintage stuff going on. Look at all those Cowie triples. Boom, 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 boom. Look at those Honda Super Sports. We'll walk our way over that way. I'm trying to find an older electric start dirt, not older, but not brand new, electric start dirt bike. They're hard to come by, man. Not that many of them around for sale. Let's see what we got over here. Honda Super Sport. 1975, 1975, 1976. Cowie triple, Cowie triple, Cowie triple, Cowie triple, Cowie triple. It's a nice triple for 12 grand. Hard to come by. You could probably even get it, negotiate, get a deal. Real wheel and deal here. Come up with cash. Cash talks. Well, that sun's ruining my shot there. I can't go that way. I'll go back down this way. What else we got here? We got a Goozy. Two Goozies. A 71 and a 75. 4 grand and 5 grand. Some Sportsters. Make yourself a chopper. Honda 750 Cafe Racers. Lots of them. Honda chopper. There's a Chrysler Snow Runner. Winter's coming. Be good to have that before the snow hits. Little CM400. I wonder what happened to the other MZ that I was interested in. I don't see it here. Maybe he sold it. I didn't pull the trigger fast enough. I liked it and then I rode it, and it's a little bike. I thought it was a bigger bike. When you ride them, it feels small. That real nice Suzuki that was here looks like it's gone. I'm selling some. There's a nice Triumph triple, speed triple. 2,300 bucks. Triumphs don't have very good resale value. Cool Honda chopper with some cool snakeskin paint. You could probably buy it. He's asking $59.99, but you could probably buy it cheaper. It's fresh and ready to run. I guess he sold my MZ because I don't see it. Oh well. Oh no, there it is. I like it, but when I rode it, it just seemed little. I don't really like little anymore. I don't like too big either, but Yamaha RD350 customized out. Little Ducati single. 3 grand. Looks like it's ready to go. Got some neat stuff here. Cool little BSA Bantam. Nice little bike. Little Honda 450. A lot of cruisers. Looking for a cruiser, man. Look at this thing. Big bike there. Suzuki RE5 rotary. Honda Super Sport. It's just Cowie. I didn't see this. 87 Cowie. Ninja. 750 Ninja. It's pretty clean, man. There we go. It's pretty clean. I don't see any body damage at all. Come on, I didn't see this bike before. Just the mileage on it. 36,000. It's not terrible, but I try to buy stuff with the teens in it. Oh no, here's that Suzuki. This bike is mint. You can buy it for $2,000, and it's mint. It just has a ton of miles on it, but the motor doesn't even make a sound, man. Super, no ticks, no clicks, no nothing. Can't believe that bike's still here. That's a lot of bike for $2,000. Maxim. A cool little trailer. Someone did a cool job on that. What's the name of that company? Alumaline. Alumaline.com. Pretty cool. A lot of good British stuff. Little BSA, Starfire. Another BSA, Hornet. Matching numbers. Another BSA. Real nice looking Triumph. I like the white and black. 71. I'm not in love with 71s. I like pre-70 Triumphs, but this Hornet's nice. I know, because it used to be mine. But it's not mine anymore. Alright guys, I gotta go. See you soon. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you sharing. Thanks.